Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Microsoft Store. Okay, so to uninstall an app that you downloaded from the Microsoft Store, you can do it directly through Windows. And here's how it's done. Just go ahead and click on the Start button and locate the app that you want to remove. So if you do not see it immediately, you can just go ahead and click on Settings. And once you click on Settings, you can go ahead and click on Apps. Now, on the apps, just once you find the app, you can just tap on it. Let's say, for example, you installed Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on it, and once you tap on it, then you find the uninstall button. Now, for some systems, once you find the app, just right click on it. And once you right click, from the menu that appears, just select uninstall. Now, if Windows asks you to confirm, just go ahead and click uninstall again. Windows will now remove the app from your computer. You can also uninstall Microsoft Store apps through the Windows settings, which I said, or through Windows, right? This is just one step. So you can install it directly from the Start button. So let's say, for example, Adobe Cloud again, and right click. Once you right click, now you have Pin to Start, More, and Uninstall. So you can just go ahead and click uninstall from here, and it's going to uninstall. So of course, once you click on uninstall, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And the app will be removed from your Windows PC. Now, uninstalling an app removes it from your computer, but it does not necessarily cancel any subscription associated with that app. So if you have an active subscription, you may need to cancel it separately through your Microsoft account or the service provider. So just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.